Alright, so here are our options. It's in the water, or it's on top of the trees. Either way, we're not getting it. Or it could have miraculously fallen to the forest floor.
And we should comb it for the next 48 hours.
Call in the state police! We'll find your rocket.
We are here in the Minnesota Timberlands.
Looking for a lost rocket.
Chances of us finding it are slim to none. Slim to none.
Alright, I would like to walk back without falling. Zombie Jesus.
Well then, don't trip.
Well, I'm gonna
have to. Sounds like a personal problem, Mike. Yeah. Walking without falling.
It will be.
Minnesota.
Alright, so let's just comb around.
You're coming back without being eaten alive by Minnesota alligators. That's right.
They have alligators in Minnesota?
They have alligators. Are you still videotaping?
Uh-huh.
Sweetness.
I figure Jack can record it over if he doesn't want it.
This right here is the woods
Of Minnesota.
We see in front of us Shamu and a water cow. This right here is the water cow.
Anyway.
Again, more falling leaves.
Look at the horrid pollution done to our ecosystem. These nasty animals knock over the trees and we die.
The water cows
What is that?
do damage like this in the woods, and it's this. This is why we need to control our population.
Of waterfowls?
Cows!
Water cows. Not waterfowl. Water cow.
Fowl are okay. The cow are getting overpopulated.
Overpopulated. So we should up the hunting limit to about 35
At
per
least.
person. At least.
At least.
Minimum.
The reason
Bear.
it's so hard to get is because they can run and bowl over trees at the same time.
I mean, look at this. It's a massacre. It's disgusting. A
Trees
disgrace.
are dying by the thousands.
By the look at them all. It looks
because
like
of water cows.
a water cow rampage. Herd. Bunch. Swam through.
And then drink up the water.
And then drank. This
That's
used to be a
another
lake.
reason.
This used to be a lake, but now it's not.
We used to be under river bottom
Under
right
a
now.
river water.
But
bottom.
now, the water cows drink it up and bowl over trees.
And we can't even find them.
And this is what happens.
Have you seen one?
I have not seen
I've
it.
never even seen one.
Partly because they sleep in trees.
And then they knock them over because they don't like it. It's despicable. My mouth is very dry.
Now these anthills do partly control the water cow population.
They eat them.
They eat water cow. Anthills.
Why?
The ants in the anthills. Not the anthills themselves. And they make the anthills over the water cow. This is actually
A water cow
burial site.
grave.
Yes, a grave for the water cow.
The size of the lump, however, is not the actual size of the water cow.
It is much
They-
larger.
Yes, they are deeper. Deeper, underneath us.
Plus, water cows decompose and they sink back down. This used to be what, 20 feet?
25.
25 feet.
25
25 feet high.
meters.
Meters.
25 meters.
Whoa.
That's a big water cow. This is only the tip of the iceberg.
the tip.
Tip.
Just
Like a
an
fingernail.
iceberg. Exactly.
The fingernail out.
Cow. He means the fingernail cow.
Yes.
See right here, pollution. This is also very hazardous to our health, our ecosystem, our very well-being.
Gotta speak of my
It's all
mouth.
because of people like him.
Behind us, actually, you can see demonstrating the mental fortitude of the Ernest Reyes. These things are also engaging because they're so outrageously stupid. He is actually the only one left. I blame
He cannot find a mate. The reason he cannot. see, we have to fend these fiends off to save our very lives.
He has a strange chemical in his brain called the willy-nilly pheromone.
That's basically what his brain is, a chemical.
A chemical.
Go on.
A willy-nilly. Look at him stalk his suspect's prey. Watch as the wee blighter hides behind the trees. Oh, he's throwing the... Holy crap! He's going for it. Take his magic spear and hunt the prey back.
A very close screen.
It shows the male wild boar leader who his leader is.
To fend these things off, you throw rocks.
Throw their own rockets back. And after that, when they bend over to pick it up, you toss the stick. Oh, sweet zombie Jesus! Oh,
That right there.
it hit me! That hurt!
Careful, it's poisonous.
It's broken.
That's it.
I got hit with a rocket.